Hey, this is Ken DiLoretto. Let's talk about effectively using chat. The tips I'm about to share are meant to apply across a broad array of platforms, so hopefully you'll find them applicable to the one that you're on. The first one is about bumping up the font size. If you have the ability in the platform you're using to actually increase the font size of the chat, you'll be able to see things more quickly and glean and derive insight faster, which will be useful for you as you advance the session. You may also, if you have the capability, want to enlarge the chat window so that you'll be able to see more on the screen at one time, because when those chats start coming in, they're going to disappear quickly to the top. When you actually get your participants to move to chat, you want to signal and direct traffic. Signaling, as we've talked about before, is about you changing the tone of your voice, the pace, and actually shifting the energy so that participants know something different's about to happen. And then directing traffic is about pointing them exactly where you want them to go, in this case, the chat box, and letting them know you want all of them to participate. When the chats start coming in, wait. Resist the temptation to comment too soon. If you do, you'll actually shut down participation. What ends up happening is your voice starts coming through, you're calling out someone's comment, and the people who were thinking about what they want to write stop thinking, and they pay attention to the conversation that you're having. So what I do, instead of commenting on the chats that are coming in too soon, is I will actually encourage them. It sounds something like, okay, great, we've got some folks typing. Thank you, we've got a few coming in. Let's see a few more. Keep it going. I'd like to hear from all of you. Great. When you've got enough to start to work with, this is your chance to link comments together. So as you've been going down the screen, see if there's opportunities for you to take what one participant said and connect it to what someone else said. Either they agree with each other and you want to actually make that point. Okay, it seems like we have a trend here, for example. Or you've got a debate that could happen. Two people that have very different views on a situation, and you're going to want to get them to talk. All of that leads you to teasing out. The teasing out process is not the reiteration of what's already in the chat. It's the advancing of it, the deepening of it. Why? So that you can intentionally and gracefully transition to your next section. So as you're reviewing the chat, you're looking not only for what's coming in, but how you can use it to transition to where you need to go next. I hope you found these tips to be helpful, and I'm sure you've got your own. So as always, send them over and we'll all get smarter. See you soon.